Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot cocoa in Dreamlight Valley. To begin, you'll need to gather 3 key ingredients. This delicious dessert requires 1 cocoa bean, 1 milk, and 1 sugar cane. Each of these items is found in a specific location within your valley, so let's dive into where you can find them to start cooking this sweet treat. First, head to the sunlit plateau to find cocoa beans, which grow on trees there. Next, visit Ramai's restaurant and access his pantry to purchase the milk you'll need. Finally, travel to Dazzle Beach, where you can harvest sugarcane from the ground. Once you have one of each, you're ready for the next step in preparing your hot cocoa. With all your ingredients in hand, find any cooking station in the valley. Place the 1 cocoa bean, 1 milk, and 1 sugarcane into the pot. Remember, you'll also need 1 piece of coal to power the stove and complete the cooking process. This simple combination will create a 3-star meal, providing a substantial 641 energy boost. Now you have a warm, delicious hot cocoa, perfect for restoring your energy or sharing with your favorite Dreamlight Valley characters. It's a fantastic way to boost friendships and keep your character energized for all your adventures. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and ready for anything in your daily life. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.